store. But today we're going to the craft store because I had some inspiration zip into my brain, and I'm going to attempt to make some lino cut stamps. And I haven't done this since high school, I think. So I just thought it would be fun to do a few designs, and then later on, if I can figure out a way to print my artwork, then I could add the little stamps in the package. You know what I mean? So that is what we are doing. Anytime I have an idea for a project or an art piece, I try to find ways to combine it with my sense of like mystical energy. There's always magic to be found in life if you look for it, and I really am trying to put my specific creative energy into these projects, and sometimes it takes a little while for that to come through because maybe I'm not sure exactly how I want it to look or be. But I've noticed that I am, when I'm like brainstorming, I don't know, I guess it's just like the creative process, but also it's a specific energy that I feel coming through my projects. Does that make sense? I don't know. It makes sense to me, and I think I do it unintentionally, but the way that I like prevent myself from getting burnt out is to, well, number one, take a lot of breaks, but also find a rhythm of that magical energy. I don't know. I feel like I'm talking like a crazy person, but this is, I don't know. It helps me stay like creative. It helps me stay motivated. And there's so many like projects that I want to do, and I don't know. I've got my coffee here. It was a tired morning. I felt very tired, but my spirit always picks up when I make coffee. So I got my coffee, and we're gonna go to the store. Looking forward to it. Hello. Wow, that was pretty good. It's voiceover Margot here. In these clips here, I started to make some thumbnail sketches of the stamp that I wanted to make, the lino cut stamp. And I wanted to incorporate my brand name, Mystic Star Rising. And at first I started drawing this really cool but intricate sword, like a mystical, magical sword. And while I love this design, it was a little bit too complicated. I kind of wanted to start on an easy design. So I actually ended up making a design on my computer with my logo that I already had. And I just printed that out real quick. However, the first time I printed it out, it was not the right direction. The design needs to be mirrored so that when you stamp it, then it's the correct way. So then I fixed it here. And there might be an easier way of doing this, but I just covered the back in graphite and then traced it onto the stamp. So I just covered this in graphite, and so I'm going to Do I want another coffee? Yes. Do I want another coffee? Hello. It was actually really fun to make this, and I think it came out really cute. Okay, this is where we are right now. I'm gonna test it out and see if there are any spots that need to be worked on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. My poor sketchbook has been abandoned this spring. I haven't used it very much. I'm just flipping back through the pages here. I'm seeing a few pages in February. And then this flower sketch was actually done back in March. I've been really bad about uploading videos in order, of when they were shot. The past 3 videos, I think, have all contained clips from like February, March, April, May, so kind of all over the place. I was initially really excited to do this sketch because I love flowers, but I feel like I kind of lost interest after a while, and that can happen when I don't use my sketchbook very often. It just takes me forever to get back into it, so I think that's kind of what happened here. I actually didn't record the ending of this sketch. I just kind of left it and then came back to it another day, but I did not film it that. But that's okay. At least we did something. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy, so. That's gonna be really nice. No, I mean, yeah, like I don't want to burn, but I also don't, like, I don't know. Is it just like you spit out and...
I'll show you how it works when I'm available. I'm a little
preoccupied right now.
Preoccupied with being a statue.
Oh, yeah, I like that. I like
your you didn't do fire bubbles, did you?
Oh no. Yes, you did at the
Did
Witches and Vampires.
Bubbles? I know Alice did.
Yeah, I think I did.
You did. I remember.
Because we got those too. Those are always fun.
Yeah, they are.
Alice is down to be set on fire. I've got like written consent, I'm pretty sure, in my text messages.
Sure, that wasn't a no.
Hell yeah, guys. This is sweet. Look at our fire. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's so cool. It's, oh my god. That's so pretty. Now that's a witch fire right there.
Wait, say that again.
That's a witch fire right there. Yeah. Is it, there's like blue down there too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Alright, because one looks so good. I'm like, I might get a second one.
Mm-hmm. Yum yum. Some bugga wuggas.
It's probably fine, right?
Oh my gosh. Oh! Guys, I almost brought my like camcorder, like my vintage camcorder. The stairs. Did it burn you?
What?
Did it burn you?
A little.
Yeah.
That's okay. It cinches your arm hair.
Yeah, my arm hair, my hair is gone a little bit.
Yeah.
Ew.
Like her hair. It's fine. It's so
Burn, burn.
Oh my god, it's so gorgeous.
Woo. Oh, I love it. That looks better than the other one. Damn, that's cool.
Got a lot more to say, but I didn't let them.
I know.
Hell yeah. We released you to the universe. Bye-bye. There it goes. Would you like to write a note?
Not another person, another manifestation.
Yeah, you go, girl.
I just feel
Coming out. That's good.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, it is so much fun. I felt so seen. I don't think she's listening.
me.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you too. Sorry. I was zoning out. I'm so sorry.
I came in to get
Okay. We're manifesting.
Who's gonna get in the car crash?
Well, Siri already did.
We release you!
We release you!
We find you!
I'll see you soon. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, you as well.
Thanks for coming out.
For sure. I'll see you later.
Yeah, enjoy
Hey,
your
let me know
night.
when you guys get home, please.
Yeah, drive safe. Yes. Bye. Have a good night.
Ooh, that's a good one.
I like this angle. Damn, hot cross buns. Ooh, here we go. Whoa, that's fun.
Whoa!
Get in this shit.
It's so smoky. It's burning my eyes. It decided to follow me.
It's an honor.
Wait.
Take a pic on my phone, put my black jeans. Never give you but I'm happy. I'm no longer paranoid. I don't even get the flu anymore. What does that mean?
Yeah. Woo! So cute. I love it.
Names at the stick, you're never gonna fit in much here. But if you're troubled and hurt, put the gun under your shirt. We'll make them pay for the things that they did. They said that teenagers scared the living shit out of me. Think you're careless, but as long as somebody rings, so darken your clothes, you'll strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Oh, yeah. It starts with a boy. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. The design is rhyme to explain in due time. All I know. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the opinions swing. Watch it count down like clear days. Watch it looks like the way. So didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on. Didn't even know. They wasted it all just to watch you go. Kept everything inside, even though I tried, it all fell apart. What eventually will eventually be a memory of the time I tried so hard and got so far. But at the end, it doesn't even matter. Through the aftermath of 7 days, time to do it now, do it loud. Kill the noise, fix the noise. So you just take like a spitful.
Yeah, I just open up this little thing, and you have to be brave.
I hope you guys like it.
Okay.
I am like so not picky at all. I'll eat anything.
The texture's pretty bad.
Yeah, I mean for me, and it's like gritty, right?
How are you supposed to ingest it? Like mix it in with something?
Yeah,
You know what? I don't think I should
can.
mess up this. I could just serve it right.
Yeah.
Sure.
Don't you agree?
Yeah. Whatever works best.
Awesome. Gotcha.
That looks really good.
We live way out there in a little town called Advance in Indiana. Right across way out there is a show jumping barn called Spookers. I worked there for 3 years. Yeah. So Ryan and Alex.
Is it?
Do you know,
Lebanon.
She did therapeutic writing.
Okay.
And then Maddie Ward was
Yeah.
one of
So
our
I like-
parents come watch the kids.
We go there more often to their house.
There's
no water there
So I was in these
Exactly.
services like for 3 years of my life, and I worked there full time.
Well, I
Yes, I know what's
with them,
coming.
but then after we
Yeah.
got down,
Yeah,
And then,
they were just
how long?
28.
people
You
after
have
that.
that here.
Really like their hair
So
and makes their
she
allergies flare up.
she moved away now.
Okay.
Hey, that's why they make ready-to-go meals.
Yeah, that's right. That's what's about. Yeah, no, I just eat the Whole Foods. I'm like, just get me my carrot, my apple, and peanut butter, and we're gonna go. I can assemble.
Yes.
But yeah.
You actually know this one?
Is this the one that you guys?
That's not the
This is like the anthem.
Wait, Valia, come on, wait. We have.
We talked about take Mark, take a picture of that.
The spread.
Just
with
a
my-
picture?
No, the red one.
Okay.
And I'll send you all the videos I'm taking
And
too.
then, hold on, I need a big bowl for
No, you're
potatoes.
good. Just gotta do this for the Instagram.
Do you mind to move these napkins to that other room, please? And
Does anyone play the what's it called?
Accordion?
Yeah. I've always wanted to learn.
Yeah, I think he was supposed to be really good.
It's a beautiful instrument.
I agree. Have you ever like played one for just you with the tagine?
not necessarily with
I-
me, just
I got you with the tagine. What is in the tagine?
Yeah, I have no idea. That looks so
Yeah.
No.
Wow.
So you're gonna have to do like a montage video.
I will. That's like I love making videos and like
who's
pictures.
gonna do video?
Me.
Could you do it with my phone? Or-
Yes, I can send it to you too.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll send you everything. I promise.
okay.
She can airdrop it.
Okay, are you gonna talk something when we're reading
What are we
and
gonna
we're getting together,
Oh.
kind of narrative?
Oh, sure.
Improv.
Oh God. Okay.
No, but I don't want, if you don't, stop it.
All right, we've got our Russian gang in the house. Our Russian family and our beautiful, all of our food here. What do we have, Ina? Tell us what we have
So
here.
we have beef stew, mashed potatoes with roasted garlic. We have goat cheese with tomato sauce. This is focaccia with garlic and herbs. And this is my favorite salad. We always used to do that salad, tomato and cucumbers and dill and scallions and avocado and peppers.
Wow.
And then I will show dessert later.
Yes. Looks delicious.
Wedding barn as a wedding
No,
barn.
meat on top of potatoes.
So
Okay. Yeah, you know, your wedding was so pretty.
It was.
Thank you.
It was beautiful.
Thank you. It was really, really pretty. We had it.
We had a lot of
We
fun.
had, we had some
It
good
was.
pictures.
It was
Hot, I
very
want to
hot.
start with salad.
Excuse me.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Oh, there you go.
His interview.
It's
Or
a pre-interview.
Pre-interview phone call.
interview,
Yeah.
I guess.
All right, Mark. Let's go. All right, action time. Action. Go.
okay.
No, use your face. Use your face. There you go. I told you about it.
All right, ready?
good.
Yeah.
Did I hit you?
No.
Okay.
We're getting crazy.
You got it. Maybe I should stop talking. Just don't jinx it. Ah! Get that. Oh! Get that anger out.
Come on. Did you crack it?
No.
Oh.
It sounded
I
like it.
sound like it.
There you go.
Easy does it.
Easy
Get it on the
does it.
table. Can I crack it?
The value is very small.
Oh, that's okay. This works for me. I don't
Tiny
care.
spoon.
I like small things.
It's not
I
easy
didn't-
if you're a kid.
No, it's okay. No, were you down there? A customer
Is this
at good or is it? This is a video. Okay, picture.
Unbelievable.
We're getting crazy
Are
around
you doing
here.
video?
Video or picture?
First picture.
Okay, picture. Got
Okay.
it. All right.
Alright.
All right, Mark, are you doing video?
All right.
There.
Here.
And then if you send me yours.
Okay, I'll text you.
Where is it?
You okay?
Okay.
This is crazy.
I'm really scared. I'm not even gonna look at it.
Wait, you don't like raw fish?
No.
I'm not gonna eat
This
that.
I like
isn't
fish,
completely
You do
raw.
like
and-
fish.
and-
but I don't.
I mean, no pressure. If you don't want to try it, I
I'm
mean,
stuffed.
You can
he-
try a
here's a-
small
Yeah,
bite.
here
I
what
mean,
I'm
I've
doing.
actually
You see, I'll cut
enjoyed
it.
it
Hold
My
on,
sometimes.
husband's
Before-
face is not giving me any hopes that this is.
hold on. Here,
Admittedly, I've never seen somebody follow their tiramisu with herring.
I'm just.
Yeah, that's crazy.
This is the first.
Okay, I will give you a little bit of olive oil just to make it a little bit.
Because it's gonna make it better?
That's what it's all about.
I think
first
so.
olive
I
oil
think
makes it
I
better?
hope it will.
It'll at least
Okay.
mask it.
Okay.
Throw
let's
some
get
matcha
a
on
little
it.
bit.
Get some matcha on there.
Okay, so let me give you a little. You see, you have like little portions. I'll give you small forks.
Do you want?
What's up? What's up? So, I had a little idea. In this little noggin of mine. I'm gonna do something that I have not done ever, forever. I have a bunch of these white canvases and I kind of want to do something with them. I was thinking of making like a little mini series. God, this background is so ugly. Just ignore that. Gosh, it's so ugly. Should I change it? Should I move? It's just really ugly. Let's do this. That's kind of better, I guess. Basically, I have some paints that I want to get rid of. All of this old, crusty, musty acrylic paint. And I think I just want to like use it up and then I can buy some more nicer paint. So I have this paint additive. I bought this so long ago. Is this a cute angle? Yeah. I've like barely touched this stuff, so I'm hoping that we can use this, but we shall see. This looks like slime.
What are you doing, babe? You're being cute. Little guy. Babe. Hey, babe. What are you doing? You little cow. What are you doing, you little cow? What are you doing, baby? Huh? What are you doing? Nice. Hi. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? You wanna run? Okay, come on. What is it? What do you think? What's that? That's pretty. What was that? Are you hopping? Come on. No, this is mine. I found it fair and square. Mushroom. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm tripping all over myself. What do you guys see, huh? Oh, you guys are gonna get dirty. You guys are gonna get dirty. We're already there. Oh, I love these umbrellas. Oh, okay. Man. Look at that fog. That's crazy. Fog rolls in and the fog rolls out.
There's 2 of them.
Oh, there's some mushrooms.
They're in here.
Hmm.
They pop up.
There's one,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah. After a while, it's like they appear magic.
3. Cotton candy skies.
What happens is usually after the sun that's the only reason we can see anything.
That's right.
Because it's bouncing off the atoms, the electrons, and got a steady stream of something. But when it hits, it lights it up.
Yeah.
And then in different colors too.
Pretty crazy. There's the moon.
There's that moon. And the moon's a perfect example. That light hits it.
Yeah.
But that light, all the other lights